guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. First of all, I'm really sorry for not posting much videos lately. Actually, my Dadaji is not doing well and I'm not in that happy place right now. I honestly feel like doing nothing because he's not well and I am not in my happy place, in my happy mood right now. So that's why I wasn't feel like doing anything. But today Sugarbox has actually sent me their December month's box, which is winter edition box. And so I thought that maybe I should review it because you know it's been really long since I've shoot any video, so I can do this one. So this is how it came in this huge box. And here is the Sugarbox logo, and inside we have the Sugarbox. And let me show you guys the packaging of Sugarbox. It's really cute. So this is how the month of December winter edition Sugarbox looks like. I think it's really pretty, very classy packaging. They always have this kind of packaging, but they play up with the colors sometime. So this is very basic plain white box, very huge box as you can see, and they have decorated it with this ribbon which actually looks like a gift box. And here is you know, the winter edition logo. So let's quickly open it and see what all we have in this box. So first of all, we have this really cute hoodie or a t-shirt, kind of sweatshirt or sweat t-shirt, but it is actually really huge for me. I think it's size XL, so it's really big on me. I can actually wear it at home because I love wearing loose clothes when I'm you know just sitting around in my home घर पे. मुझे बहुत खुले खुले कपड़े पहनने अच्छे लगते हैं, so I can do that. Plus it's really cute as it says I woke up like this in Hindi. So I think it's really cute that way. So because it's a winter edition box, next thing is this beanie. I absolutely love this beanie because it has a very cute flower hair. So this is how this beanie looks on me. I think it should be a little longer here, but anyway, it's really cute because it has this flower. So again, because this is a winter edition box, they have also included these gloves in this box. Let me just wear them. Hi. The third thing are these gloves. Now the next thing is really cute is this bag. They have also included, they always include one bag and one clothing item, which I think is really nice. So this is how this bag looks like. It also has this green colored pom-pom, and the pom-pom is actually kind of stopping this this string to come out. The string is not adjustable though, but I think the bag is really cute. If you know, if you're a college going girl, I think this bag you can, you know, carry around this bag when you are just going out with your friends and chilling with your friends and stuff like that. Plus it is also quite spacious. It is tiny but it is quite spacious. It has two zippers, one here and one here. So yeah, so this is how the bag looks like. The next thing is this cutesy potli, and it has two rings. I don't really wear you know, junk jewelry, but I think these ones are really cute. So these are the rings. One is black and one is silver, which is super reflective. So the next thing is kind of stationery item, which is very random, but I think it comes really handy sometimes. So these are the sticky notes, and they are very cutely shaped. As you can see, they are really cute. So I think sticky notes always come handy, you know, if you love writing or something, they always come handy. So next thing is kind of a little sweet snack, which is this gingerbread man. Because it's you know, because Christmas is approaching, so they have also included this gingerbread. So next thing, which I absolutely love because it's a makeup item, this is the Hilary Rhoda lip balm, and it looks clear but after some time it turns pink. Basically it is kind of a lip balm and lip stain. So this is how the actual product looks like, and it comes clear, but when you apply it, it's gonna turn out pink. After a few time, you know, it's gonna look pink. So basically it's kind of a lip stain which is gonna stay on your lips for a very long period of time, at least for 4 to 5 hours easily, and it is also gonna look very natural as well. So thumbs up for that, you know. So this is how the stain is gonna look like after 30 to 50 seconds. So these are all the stuff in my December month's Sugarbox. So I'm gonna leave all the information about Sugarbox in the description box below, and if you're interested in purchasing this box, I'm also gonna leave the website link in the description box below as well. Prices and everything और जो भी Sugarbox का जो भी plan है, I'm just gonna write it in the description box below to make it easier for you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.